Hello my friends, I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and it is about to be Christmas. To celebrate, and because I appreciate you very much being there, I want to give you a gift. I want to give you my best tips to draw better and also all my best tips to be successful on anything. Normally you need to pay for this material and you need to open an account on patreon.com, but I want to give them to you as a gift. So from this 24th of December until the end of January, you will be able to access them for free with the link below. And there are no strings attached. Of course, you don't need to set up an account or give any information or anything. Just enjoy them, and I hope they will be helpful to you. And a lot of you have been asking me where to send me my gifts. There is no need to send me anything. But for those who insist, I did set up a wish list on Amazon where you can choose and send me anything you want from that list. It will be appreciated, especially because everything there, if you take a look at it, are materials or tools to be able to make better tutorials for you. So they are very welcome. I want to wish you a very nice Christmas with your loved ones, and I want to wish you an excellent next year, and I hope to see you soon again. Take care.